you think the meaning of life is?
To live and to live in a mystery and to find purpose and to live in the now. Magic. Now.
What's your most adventurous memory?
This. I remember this. This is an adventure. This is the memory.
What advice do you have for younger generations?
Younger generations? Live in the moment. Don't get old. Don't judge people because you can't be